Alicante, Spain is a Mediterranean gem with a perfect mix of history, culture, food, and coastline. And today, we're counting down the 8 best things to do in this sun-soaked city in 2025. From ancient fortresses perched above the sea to vibrant food markets and palm-lined promenades, Alicante has something for every kind of traveler. You'll explore castles with panoramic views, relax on golden beaches, dive into the city's religious and architectural heritage, and even catch a few beginner surf lessons. Whether you're planning your first trip or returning to discover more, this guide covers top experiences that highlight Alicante's charm, local life, and coastal energy. Historic landmarks, fresh seafood, scenic walks, and interactive museums await as we take you on a journey through the city's most unforgettable spots. Stick around until the end for our number 1 pick, an iconic piece of Alicante's heart that you don't want to miss. Let's dive into the best that Alicante has to offer. Number 8. Exploring Castillo de Santa Bárbara. Alicante's hilltop fortress, Castillo de Santa Bárbara, rises high above Alicante, offering not just incredible views of the city and sea, but a deep dive into Spanish history. Perched atop Mount Benacantil, this hilltop fortress dates back to the 9th century, built during the Muslim rule of the Iberian Peninsula. Wander through its massive stone walls and courtyards, where echoes of battles, sieges, and centuries of change still linger. As you climb higher, the panoramic views stretch across Alicante's old town, the marina, and the Mediterranean coastline, perfect for unforgettable photos. Explore the dungeons, towers, and exhibition rooms that now display artifacts from different eras. From medieval armor to ancient maps, each corner of the castle tells a unique part of Alicante's story. Access to the castle is easy by elevator, hike, or drive, and entry is often free. Whether you're into history, architecture, or just unbeatable views, Castillo de Santa Bárbara is a must-see landmark that brings the spirit of Alicante to life in every stone. Number 7. Walk the Explanada de España. The Explanada de España is one of Alicante's most iconic and beautiful promenades, stretching along the harbor with its signature wave-patterned mosaic made from over 6 million marble tiles. Lined with tall palm trees and flanked by cafes, souvenir stalls, and musicians, it's the perfect place for a relaxing stroll any time of day. As you walk along the vibrant path, you'll feel the rhythm of local life. People sipping coffee, kids playing, and street performers adding energy to the atmosphere. The breeze from the nearby sea makes it especially refreshing during warm afternoons. Be sure to check out the artisan market along the way, offering handcrafted jewelry, local art, and traditional Spanish goods. At the far end of the promenade, the Plaza del Mar opens up with even more seaside views and great spots to sit and soak it all in. Whether you're starting your day or winding down at sunset, the Explanada de España offers a timeless Alicante experience filled with color, culture, and Mediterranean charm. Number 6. Exploring Basilica Santa Maria. Alicante's oldest church, Basilica Santa Maria, stands as the oldest active church in Alicante, rich with history and Gothic charm. Built between the 14th and 16th centuries on the site of a former mosque, it reflects the city's layered past through its stone walls and detailed architecture. Step through the grand Baroque entrance, added later in the 18th century, and find yourself surrounded by soaring columns, stained glass windows, and centuries-old religious art. The basilica's single-nave layout and ribbed vaults highlight the transition from Gothic to Baroque styles, creating a powerful yet peaceful atmosphere. Don't miss the intricately carved wooden altarpiece, and the chapel dedicated to the Virgin Mary, where locals often come to light candles and reflect. Outside, the square surrounding the Basilica offers quiet corners to take in the building's impressive facade. Located in the heart of Alicante's Old Town, Basilica Santa Maria is more than just a place of worship. It's a living piece of history that connects the city's Islamic, Christian, and artistic heritage in one sacred space. Number 5. Inside Mercat Central, Alicante's must-visit food market. Mercat Central is the beating heart of Alicante's culinary scene. Located in a beautiful early 20th century building, this bustling market is where locals shop for the freshest produce, seafood, meats, and regional specialties. Step inside, and you're instantly surrounded by color, aroma, and energy. Rows of stalls overflow with vibrant fruits, hand-cut jamon, fresh cheeses, olives, and artisan breads. The seafood section is especially impressive, showcasing everything from giant red prawns to squid pulled straight from the Mediterranean. Vendors here are passionate about their craft, and many are happy to share tips or let you sample their goods. It's more than just shopping. It's a cultural experience, a chance to taste the flavors that define Alicante. Grab a quick bite at one of the market bars, where tapas and local wine are always flowing. Whether you're looking to cook, snack, or simply explore, Mercat Central offers an authentic slice of everyday life in Alicante, where tradition, taste, and community come together under one vibrant roof. Number 4. Exploring Playa del Postigay. Playa del Postigay is Alicante's signature beach, located right at the foot of Santa Barbara Castle and just steps from the city center. Its golden sand, calm Mediterranean waters, and palm-lined promenade make it a favorite spot for locals and visitors alike. Spend the day relaxing under the sun or take a dip in the clear, warm sea. The gentle waves make it perfect for swimming, and there's plenty of space for beach games or simply laying out with a good book. Lifeguards are on duty, and the beach is well maintained with showers, loungers, and umbrellas available. Just behind the beach, a wide promenade offers cafes, restaurants, and ice cream stands, ideal for grabbing a snack or a cool drink with a sea view. You can even walk to the nearby marina or take a short stroll into the historic old town. With stunning views of the castle above and the coastline stretching into the distance, Playa del Postigay is a perfect blend of city energy and seaside relaxation. Number 3. Beginner surf session at San Juan Beach. San Juan Beach in Alicante is the perfect place for beginners to catch their first wave. With its long stretch of soft sand, gentle waves, and warm Mediterranean waters, it creates an ideal learning environment for new surfers. Start the day with a quick warm-up on the beach, followed by a lesson from one of the local surf schools. Instructors are friendly, experienced, and great at helping first-timers feel confident on the board. The waves here are consistent, but manageable, just right for building balance and getting the hang of standing up. Paddle out into the calm blue water, and within minutes, you're riding your first small wave back to shore. The vibe is relaxed, and everyone around is encouraging and supportive. It's more than just surfing. It's about enjoying the ocean, the sun, and the laid-back coastal energy. After the session, relax on the sand, grab a bite from a nearby chiringuito, and watch others ride the waves. Surfing at San Juan Beach is the perfect introduction to Spain's surf scene. Number 2. Explore the Ocean Race Museum. The Ocean Race Museum in Alicante offers a fascinating glimpse into the world of ocean sailing and the history of one of the most challenging global races. Located right on the waterfront, this interactive museum is dedicated to the Ocean Race, a legendary sailing competition that tests skill, endurance, and teamwork across some of the world's toughest seas. Inside, you'll find a mix of high-tech exhibits, stunning visuals, and authentic artifacts. From detailed models of racing yachts to multimedia displays that bring the stories of sailors to life, the museum captures the excitement and danger of ocean racing. You can even experience what it feels like to be on board a racing yacht through immersive simulators. The museum also highlights Alicante's role as a key host city for the ocean race, showcasing the local culture and maritime heritage. Whether you're a sailing enthusiast or just curious about the ocean, this museum provides an inspiring and educational experience that connects visitors to the power and beauty of the sea. Number 1. Inside Alicante's Town Hall. Discover the Ayuntamiento. Alicante's Town Hall, or Ayuntamiento, is more than just a government building. It's a masterpiece of Baroque architecture and a symbol of the city's rich history. Located in the heart of the Old Town, the elegant 18th-century facade features intricate stonework, twin towers, and an impressive central balcony where official events often take place. Step inside and explore beautifully decorated chambers, historical artifacts, and grand halls. One of the highlights is the Salon Azul, inspired by the Palace of Versailles, with its sky blue walls and gold accents. Another key feature is the Cotachero, a bronze marker on the staircase that serves as Spain's official reference point for measuring sea level. The Ayuntamiento is not just for politics. It's a living part of Alicante's heritage, open to visitors curious about the city's past and civic pride. Whether you're interested in architecture, art, or history, the town hall offers a quiet but powerful experience in the very center of Alicante.